Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video let's see 4 easy and quick veg starter recipes. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. I have kept some water to boil, to which I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the water starts to bubble up, add baby corn to this. Here I have taken 250 grams of baby corn. Now blanch this for 5 minutes on high flame. After 5 minutes, remove and transfer it to a bowl. To another bowl, I am adding about 2 tablespoons of maida and 2 tablespoons of rice flour, about 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Now mix everything nicely. Now we need to cut the baby corn. Cut it as shown in the video. You can see I have made 4 pieces. Now let's transfer this to a bowl. To this, add cut baby corn and sprinkle some water. Mix everything till the masala is well coated. Sprinkle some more water if needed. Now let's fry this. Gently drop it into a hot oil and fry on medium to high flame till it's crisp. Now let's remove and transfer it to an absorbent tissue paper. And now you can see here our crispy baby corn fry is ready to be savored. Here I have taken around 200 grams of bhindi or okra. Now let's keep some of this aside. Take one bindi, cut and remove the head and then split it from the center and then further cut it lengthwise and remove the seeds as shown in the video. Try to remove as much as seeds as possible. In the same manner, remove the seeds from the other okras as well. Now let's transfer this to a bowl. Now to a bowl add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of amchoor powder, 2 teaspoon of rice flour and 4 teaspoon of besan or gram flour. Now mix everything nicely. Add half of the masala and mix it gently using hand. Now add half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Now add the remaining masala and mix it. Now let's fry this. Once the oil is hot, gently drop it into a hot oil. Now fry this on medium flame till bhindi is crisp and golden brown. Once it is done, remove and transfer it to a bowl. To this, sprinkle some salt and some chaat masala. Gently give it a mix. And now here is our kurkuri bhindi ready to be savored. Here I have taken 3 medium-sized bitter gourd. You can see here I have cut these into very thin slices. Now to this add some salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and squeeze a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now mix gently using your hands. Once you mix this nicely, cover this and leave for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add some water and wash for about 2 to 3 times. Take another bowl and add about 4 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, about 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of curry leaves finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, some salt as needed, and some water. Now mix everything nicely. If needed, add some water while mixing. This is the consistency you need to get for the masala. Now to this add cut bitter gourd slices. Coat it with the masalas. And now let's fry this. Drop the pieces one by one gently into a hot oil. Fry these on medium to high flame till it's crisp. Once it is done, take out and transfer it in absorbent tissue paper. You can see here how our bitter gourd fry has turned out. Here I have taken one cauliflower which is of medium sized. Cut and remove the edges. Now you need to cut this into a medium sized florets. You can use this remaining to make sambar. If the florets are too big, cut it into medium sized pieces. Now let's transfer this to a bowl. In a vessel, keep some water to boil. Once the water starts to boil, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Stir it well. Now add the cauliflower florets in hot water and blanch it for 2 to 3 minutes. We blanch cauliflower to get rid of worms if there are any. The florets should be firm and not overcooked. After 2 to 3 minutes, remove the cauliflower florets from the hot water and transfer it to a strainer. Now transfer it to a bowl. To this add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, about 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder and garam masala, about 1 to 2 strings of curry leaves, 2 teaspoon of coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of corn flour and 2 teaspoon of maida. Sprinkle some water. Now start mixing it. If the mixture is too dry, sprinkle some more water. Now let's fry this. Add some oil. You can add a very small piece of cauliflower to check if the oil is hot enough. If it comes up, then the oil is hot to fry the cauliflower. Gently drop the florets in hot oil. Fry on medium heat until it's crisp. Once it is done, take out and transfer it to an absorbent tissue paper. And here is our cauliflower fry ready to be savored. Do try this recipe and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you really enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.